Hola, ¿cómo está? I thought I would just go for a little walk and record the golden hour here in Volcan, Panama, in our neighborhood in the Valle District. There's the smoky Volcan Baru right there.
Here in Panama, you will find businesses intermixed with houses all over the place.
Time of the day, everybody's out. Here in Panama, everybody walks or rides bikes. See people walking constantly. And look at that sky over Volcan. And I just like it, the clouds too. Look at that. Hola! Here's a lovely home. So I think we're just going to take a little walk around the block. It's breezy today. We're coming into dry season. And so we have a lot less rain. But apparently it gets really breezy in the afternoons. And I would say that so far that's quite correct. It's quite breezy right now.
Do you notice how the volcanoes get this lovely mystical layer of smoke around them? Both Baru here on the right and Tzingle on the left.
Bueno tardes. Bueno. I don't know if you can see all the people walking on the street up ahead of me. Everybody walking. We are just a few days from 28 de Noviembre, which is a huge celebration here in Volcan. Hola!
As you can see, Volcan has beautiful paved roads. They recently upgraded all the main roads and sidewalks, and they actually have beautiful bike roads as well.
So about that huge celebration in Volcan, all the top bands in the entire country converge upon Volcan for this event. And if you listen, you can hear bands practicing behind me now. Getting ready for this big event. So it's a huge parade. All the bands of the whole country come. It's a competition. And it's a parade that goes from 9 in the morning on the 28th until 3 in the morning on the 29th. With nothing but bands. Buena! Cows. Vacas. trumpet flowers, a little bit past their prime. And there's also a lot of people because there's a carnival happening. It is, I believe, starting today or tomorrow. I think today, at the end of the street. So there's people everywhere getting ready to go to the carnival. But we're just taking a walk around the neighborhood for now. And I can hear one of those bands I was talking about practicing as we speak. Look at that sunset.
Gary and I really enjoy walking around our neighborhood. We have gotten to know quite a few of the neighbors, and we enjoy speaking pleasantries with them in Spanish as we practice and get a little bit better at their native language here. I hope you do enjoy the beautiful pictures of the sunset that we encountered on this lovely walk.
So this is Volcan, Panama. Absolutely beautiful. I don't know if I mentioned it in the other video, but we're in a neighborhood here called El Valle, the El Valle neighborhood of Volcan, Panama. And it's strictly, almost exclusively, a Panamanian neighborhood. Gary and I are maybe just about the only gringos here. But everybody's really nice. The place we're looking at moving in a couple of months is in a neighborhood called Nueva California. It has more expats, but we are perfectly comfortable down here in El Valle. I like how friendly everybody is, and it's been good for my Espanol. Look at that sunset, you guys. Holy buckets. Hermosa Sol.